Nebraska.
A big challenge for the Big Red tonight. They're going to get a big boost from this crowd. A good opportunity to get a quality win against a BCS opponent here at the Devaney Center.
On the baseline, skip pass left side, Parker squares, shoots on the way, got it! Three-point goal by Benny Parker, ties it at 5. Pull up Jay, and it's long, offensive rebound, put back, Ubell got it! 9-5, Brandon Ubell.
Big put back on the offensive rebound.
We came out and we played tough. I mean, that was the toughest we played all year. You know, we played physical, we blocked everybody out, we finished possessions, and on offense we just attacked the rim and got good open looks and knocked them down. So I think that was the main thing. We just came out with the energy and played tough.
And one! Three-point play chance for Brandon Ubell, and he's about as fired up as I've ever seen.
I mean, it's always good to have a good crowd, especially from the students, like the student section. And when you have all the support like that, and we have little runs, I mean, it's hard to stop us, really.
Ray Gallegos with another three, and the Huskers are up by 8. And the Huskers have got something going here. Nebraska wins by 12 points over USC to improve to 6-1 on the year.
1, 2, 3, Huskers!